In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and save draft emails in Gmail. So I'm starting off by opening up gmail.com in my browser, and once everything loads, I'm right here in my inbox with all my emails visible. From here, I'm going to move over to the left side and click on the Compose button. As soon as I click that, a new email window pops up, and this is where I'll start creating my draft email. Now I'm going to begin by entering the recipient's email address in the To field. I'll just type it in like I normally would when sending an email. Once that's done, I'm going to move down to the subject line and type in a subject for the email. After adding the subject, I'm going to click into the body of the message and start typing out my email. I'll just write a few lines here to show how it works. As I'm typing, I'm not clicking save or anything like that. I'm just typing naturally. Now what's happening in the background is that Gmail is automatically saving this email as a draft while I type. You don't have to do anything extra for this, it just happens on its own. So even if I stop typing for a moment or close the compose window, the draft is still saved. At this point, I'll pause for a second just to let that autosave happen, and then I'm going to close the compose window. I don't need to send the email yet, so I'll just leave it as is. Now to check if the draft is saved, I'm going to look over on the left hand side and click on drafts. Once I click that, it opens up the drafts folder, and here I can see the email I was just working on. I'll go ahead and click on it, and it opens back up exactly how I left it, with the recipient, subject and message all still there. That's the autosave feature doing its job, so you don't lose your progress. So as you're doing this yourself, it's really just opening Gmail, clicking compose, entering the recipient, adding a subject, typing your message, and letting Gmail automatically save it in the background. Then you can go into the drafts folder anytime to check or continue working on it. And that's it, your draft email is created and saved, and you can come back to it whenever you're ready to finish or send it.